morning, a group of infantrymen, veterinarians, and members of the Kansas Agriculture Development Team put on their body armor and helmets, left their base, and started walking. 3 miles later, they arrived at their destination.
We're just walking into actually a really large livestock bazaar, much bigger than what I was kind of anticipating. This is our first trip in here, and it looks like we got quite a few cattle.
Major Clouser owns a cow farm back in Kansas, so he's a subject matter expert on all topics bovine. One of the ADT's purposes is to find out the quality of this stock.
Back home, the livestock are the auction barns and the grain elevators. You want to know what's going on in the farming community? You go there and you talk.
And with more efficient farming techniques, healthier heifers, and a bit more know-how, these Afghan farmers may soon have a ribeye to rival the Midwest.